Supramonte cave salamander, an endangered species iMovie project by Ryan Booth. Italy is a well-known country, well, mostly because of its food like pizza. But there's something else I would like to share with you besides pizza, and this topic is an endangered species. Let's give our most warmest welcomes to the endangered species, the Supramonte cave salamander. The Supramonte cave salamander is indigenous to the island just off the coast of Italy, Sardonia. It belongs to the family Plethodontidae, which are lungless salamanders. It can also be found in parts of Europe and requires high moisture in its habitat. They live in caves, cave entrances, subterranean habitats, and temperate forests as well. This species eats a wide variety of foods. It will eat plants such as moss and insects such as moths, worms, slugs, woodlice, or as I like to call them, roly-polies, and just about any other insect they find. They eat in a very extreme way, similar to a frog. They will use the retractor muscles, as seen in the diagram, to fire out their tongue at maximum speed and catch their meal on the tongue pad, the little square-looking thing at the end of its tongue. This process lasts within under 20 milliseconds. This species of salamander was listed on the IUCN Red List of Endangered Species in 2006 as endangered, due to illegal pet trade, but mostly habitat loss, and even in some cases pollution. Not much research has been done on this species, mainly because of its location. They have been also more and more hard to find in recent years. In some areas, this species was even reported being abundant in population in the past in certain areas, but in recent years, there's been a noticeable decline. But don't worry, because there are certain laws in Italy and Europe protecting this species. If scientists and researchers can find some adult salamanders, we can use them as breeding animals, and then we will have a pretty big chance at saving the population. And we can also relocate salamander eggs to safer environments, according to researchers' thoughts. But the challenge is to not cause a disturbance during the relocation, since this species is vulnerable to any changes in their habitat. People that are helping save this salamander species are helpers like rangers, conservationists, environmentalists, scientists, and researchers. Another organization, the International Union for Conservation of Nature's, or IUCN, Red List of Endangered Species, has lots of information about the species. The main goal of these helpers' purpose is to study and protect this species without causing much damage and disturbance. Studying this species will allow us to learn more about the aspects of the cave salamander and to address any issues we come across. Over time, this analysis could light the way for more useful info on the true status of this species. Here are a few ways that you can help save this species. You can spread awareness by learning lots of information about this species and educate others, and you can donate money to these conservation groups, or you can even volunteer your time to help out at these conservation groups. You can even make custom t-shirts that have certain things on them like #SaveTheSals, and not just t-shirts but pants, hoodies, maybe even shoes. And you can sell them, and the money that you make can go to the conservation groups helping this species. Hey, did you know that this animal is fully terrestrial? This animal is also sometimes invisible, to where you can see inside of its stomach where the organs are functioning. They also don't have lungs and don't go through a larval stage like many other amphibians, such as frogs and tadpoles. I hope you have enjoyed learning about the Supramonte cave salamander. Thanks for watching. Bye!